welcoming us to your taxi stand. I have one question. Has CM Pramod Sawant ever visited a taxi stand?
No.
Has he?
No.
Yesterday, when Arvind sir was coming from the airport, your MLA Benzi sir said that we should go to the Holiday Inn taxi stand and meet the people. Arvind sir didn't say call them to my hotel. He didn't say call them to my office. He didn't say call them to my conference room. He said, I will go to the taxi stand and I will meet my brothers and sisters who are having a taxi. That is the difference between BJP and Aam Aadmi Party. I have seen so many times taxi drivers are on the road. They are protesting. Recently, Mopa Airport, the issue that you raised. You were there for hours and hours and hours. Did Pramod Sawant ever come and meet you?
No.
He never came. But Arvind Kejriwal has come from Delhi for 3 days, and the first thing he has done has to come and meet all of you to understand your problems. And I think this is what makes Aam Aadmi Party different. We are not saying today that we have the solution to all the problems. But what we can promise you is that we will sit with you and we will solve all the problems. You will give the solutions, we will just implement them. This is exactly what we did in Delhi with our brothers who were auto drivers. There is far more auto rickshaws in Delhi than taxis, as you would know. And we brought them on the table for governance. When Arvind sir was the chief minister, auto drivers used to sit with him in the CM office and draft the policy that would be implemented for the auto drivers. So it is because you are the stakeholders, you are the ones who know. So Aam Aadmi Party has always stood with the common people, be it in Delhi, be it in Punjab, be it in Goa, and we will always stand with you to make sure that your problems are resolved in whatever way possible. So we look forward to your support for not just the ZP election, but moving forward as well. Thank you.
तेका वेलकम करपाक मोठ्याने ताळी दिवची. इस भाशेन आज आमचे बरोबर दिल्लीचे एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टर भाई आतिशी मॅडम तेकाय मोठ्याने ताळयो मारता. आणि तुमच्या सगळ्यांचो आवडीचो आणि वळखीचो जो तुमकां जिखून हाडलो जो आज डिसेंबरा 20 तारखेर इलेक्शनां वयता आमगे जोजफ सगळ्यांक जोजफाकूय येवकार दिचो आणि एक 5 वर्स जोजफा दित म्हणून एक सगळ्यांनी एक एश्योरन्स दिचो जोजफा आणि एक 5 वर्स दिया न्हू. सो फर्स्टली सर, our boys are traditionally here for the last 30 to 40 years. I am in the assembly for the last 4 years, and in the 4 years they will all acknowledge, and entire Goa acknowledges that the BJP government has always been harassing this class of business that is there. They would always want to find a way to see that they are being harassed and they are being used only for elections. Elections after elections, there is never any solution for this entire segment. I have grown up in this neighboring village, Carmona. When I used to go to school, I used to see taxi issues, and I am now today the MLA, I still see taxi issues. That means government after government, governance after governance, nobody has resolved their problems, but only they have done divide and rule by using them for different political parties and then trying to make sure that the issue is the same. So I think I have already voiced out their issues in the assembly. We are here to protect this culture. We are here to assure them, because I would like to tell everybody एक गोष्ट सांगपाक सोद म्हणटरी आम आदमी पार्टी आणि अरविंद केजरीवालान रिक्षा स्टँडाचे जे इश्यू आले, रिक्षा इश्यू आले दिल्ली जे भाशेन आमगे टॅक्सी स्टँड आहे थिंग रिक्षा आहे लाखांनी रिक्षा आहे आणि ते रिक्षा सगळे अरविंद केजरीवाला गेले आणि आम आदमी पार्टी गेले फॅन. तुम्ही ऐकले जातले न्हू, रिक्षा ड्रायव्हर कॅम्पेन करताले सगळे सरा लागून. आणि हे कित्याक जेन्ना सरागे आमगे गव्हर्नमेंट येलो, when we came to power over there in Delhi, we resolved policy making. म्हणजे रिक्षा ड्रायव्हरांक बेनिफिट जावपाचो ते भाशी पॉलिसी हाडून रिक्षा ड्रायव्हरांक वळी काडले. आणि दॅट वॉज द ब्युटी ऑफ आम आदमी पार्टीज पॉलिसी मेकिंग, which I think we all need to appreciate, and the similar policy making decisions we will come out with for the taxi drivers of Goa. This is my assurance, this is the assurance from the Aam Aadmi Party. Ajannam Sogle, when we are all heading towards an elections is all about talking about accountability, talking about governance, talking about what you have done and what you will do. What I have done, you all are aware of it. एक्नॉलेज कोताई 4 वर्सांनी जे आम कोण दाखयले ते यू आर एप्रिशिएट मुखार चान्स दितले गोंय बोर्ड टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हरांक आज एक उल मारता की आज तुंच बरे कोण कोणा हाडना आज आमच्या सरान एकू म्हणले सर वी हॅव गॉट अ कल्चर ओवर हियर ऑफ टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर्स हू आर ड्रायव्हिंग देअर ओन बिझनेसेस हू आर होल्डिंग दिस ओन ग्राउंड फॉर द लास्ट 35-40 years. Can we come and visit them? सरान एक उतरा हिंचाल ना देखून whether there will be 200 taxi drivers, 300 taxi drivers. एक देखो म्हणून नाही म्हणले only one taxi stand. That would be 10 drivers, that would be 15 drivers. He said, let's go, let's address them. I think this is the beauty of the person. We are here for a political campaign. We are here for votes. But at the same time, आम्ही थोडे जण तुमची स्टँडार येऊन मेळपाक coming here, talking to you all is a message going right up to the central leadership of the BJP government that you all don't care for the taxi drivers, but we care, we will care, and we will always make sure that your rights are protected. And this message is going on from this platform today for the entire Goa taxi driver जे आहे आम तुमचे बरा आसतले, आम तुमगे राइट्स प्रोटेक्ट करतले, तुमगे धंदो तुमगे हाती आसपा जायो, तुमक चलोवपा जाय ते भाशेन जायो, कायद्या प्रमाण जे आहा ते तुमक कोतायच, पूण सरकारान एक क्लियर मेसेज असतो जाय की तुम जाणाय आज आम्ही चीफ मिनिस्टराकडे मीटिंग मागलोली बट ते मीटिंगेत आम तुमकी डेट दिली तारीख पे तारीख झाली पण तेच वेळेला काही सोल्युशन ना आणि आता मांडवली करू मोहताय ताकी 20 तारखे तक वोट करपा जाऊ एक टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर के फामील बीजेपी वोट मारपाना एग्री बॉयकॉट करा बीजेपी हे जिल्हा परिषदा आणि दाखवून द्या त्याला कोतलेही ओके और थँक तुमगे सदा आसचो मुजबारा तुम सदा आसचे पार्टी बरा आम आदमी पार्टी वयर काढया आणि टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हरा पासून आम भावरत राहया हे सांगून देव बरं करू थँक्यू
Good morning, everyone. I'm very happy to come and meet all of you today. As both Benzi and Atishi ji told you, yes, I have come here for 3-day visit for campaign for ZP elections. But yesterday, last night, I arrived in Goa, and while we were coming to our hotel, Benzi was sitting in my car, and he said that, "Sir, can we meet the taxi drivers?" I said, "Of course, we can meet them." So this was not a part of the scheduled meeting, and it's just in Hindi we will say "Dil ka dil se rishta hai," heart to heart. Aam Aadmi Party is not a rich man's party. Aam Aadmi Party is a common man's party, poor man's party. So we care for you. So I have come here not for any political purpose. I have come here not to ask you for your votes. I know you will all vote for Aam Aadmi Party, but I have not come here to ask for your votes. I have come here to greet you, meet you, and tell you that we care for you and you mean a lot to us. I know you have several issues. You will acknowledge that there is only one MLA in entire Goa who raises the issues of taxi drivers in assembly. Who is he? Benzi. Benzi is the only MLA who raises the issues of taxi drivers in assembly. Benzi has done a lot of works. Right now, you spoke about it. Someone else you spoke about it that he has done a lot of works for taxi drivers, including toilets, etc., etc. We will keep on raising your issues till such time we come to power. And when we come to power, whichever government came to power, this party or that party, they created systems in such a way that a common man was harassed and he was forced to indulge in wrongdoing. They will force you to indulge in wrongdoing and then they will harass you and all the authorities will come and harass you. We will change the systems in such a way that those people who want to make an honest living, they can make an honest living and you don't have to do wrong practices or you don't have to do anything wrong to do things. So therefore we will come and change policies, we will do everything and Benzi will always be there with you. We have to protect the culture of Goa. These taxi stands are basically Goan, part of Goan culture. And you all are ambassadors of Goan tourism. Taxi drivers are the first, as soon as a person lands in Goa, the first person he meets is a taxi driver. So you are the ambassadors of Goan tourism. We all are with you and I've come here to wish you all the best and greet you and I've come to just meet all of you. Thank you so much.